I just built this fully working expenses tracker on my Android phone using AI. No laptop, no coding experience. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing in under 10 minutes. All you need is Qwen AI in your browser and Acode. Both are completely free. And I'm going to be showing you the exact prompt I use, how to paste the code, and how to make it even look better on your Android phone. So let's get started. It's very easy. So you can go to your browser and search for Qwen AI, or just go directly to chat.qwen.ai, or you can also use it on or you can also install it on your phone by just clicking on this download app option here, which should take you to the download page. Then from there you can select whether you want to install it from App Store or Google Play Store. So if you click on Google Play Store, it takes you to Google Play Store, so you can also install it from there. Now back here, and we have the prompts which we are going to be using. Like I said, you can also find the prompt in the description. You can go ahead to copy it and paste it if you want to do the same thing which I did, or you want to try it. So let's get started. Now the prompt. So for the sake of the video, I asked you to build a single HTML file for the expenses tracker. So if you want to do yours and you want to make it very organized, you can go ahead to separate files, then you can do that. So I'll send the prompt. So let's wait for it to start to generate the code. Okay, right now it's actually thinking on wait, okay, you can see designing the slick design same expenses tracker with neon green accents, crafting a refined digital experience with elegance and precision, designing. Oh, that is its thinking process. Okay, thinking is completed and now it's generating the code. It's generating, so let's wait for it to generate the code. Now it's generating the code. Now it has generated the code over 745 lines of code, and in the description it added a features which include to add an expenses, view the expenses list, running the total, delete. You can it has a delete function, it has persistency, persistence. Okay, all the data are saved in local storage, so it survive when you restart the browser and everything. So it also has a dark and a neon green theme, and it's also mobile friendly. You see, it's fully responsive, and it has extra. Okay, it has notification tools categories and for the auto icons. So let's copy and let's paste the code. Uh, yeah, let me copy the code. Okay, copy it to the clipboard successfully. So I'm going to be going to my Android editor, which is Acode. So you want to know how to use Acode, you can go to my channel to find the video. Then, or you can see it somewhere up here. You can go there to get the video on how to use this Acode. Then I open a folder. Okay, I already added the folder already, expenses tracker, and this is the file which I created, index.html. So that's it. I'll click on the mark icon to load it. So they will display this little advertisement. Let me paste it again. There was So just pasted. We have pasted the code. Now before you open this in your browser, don't skip this next step, or the app won't display correctly on your phone. Now I'll click on the save button to save it. Then you see this icon up. This look like a play button. Yeah, that's one. Then you click on that to open it. As you can see, it is Android responsive. It is actually showing fully on the phone and it's no lagging. So we add the description. You can write coffee. Then you can write add the amount. Then we add expensive. Add the expense. Then as you can see, this it's total it already 10, and you can see the recent as well. You can see this also added there minus $10. You can add another one, Uber. Then you write that, then add expenses. As you can also see, it works really right, and it's also working very well. Now you can see the clear all function. You can click on clear all to clear it all, and you can also see that it does the total of the expenses. $20 plus $10 give us $210. So if you click on clear all function, okay, you can see delete all expenses, this cannot be done, and you click on OK, then the expenses is cleared. So that's all. In the next video, I'm going to be connecting this to a real database, so your expenses save permanently even after you close the app. Subscribe so you don't miss it.